And here we have a beautiful 1969 Roadrunner rotisserie restored. Meep meep. Very nice restoration. Very clean. And we like. Next to it, we're gonna have the fox body. We all know how you love the fox bodies. I remember racing these with my Camaro back in the day. Always got the shift lights going. I remember the days.
Joe even checked his brother raced it. Joe wins almost every race. Yeah.
Got the money to put in.
Yeah, well, I mean, pro driver, you know. Yeah. Drive these things since he was a kid. So. But, yeah, it's secret.
He's got LED lights inside with the colors and such. I can tell by the remotes. This is so cool here. Yeah, we love the Mercury Cougar. What is it, 67? It's looking at. Anyway, but the 64 wagon, that's my year. So old school. With a small block Chevy. She's a pretty girl. 64. Malibu wagon.